In today's episode of What's That, I'm going to open a package of 10 Bev-Bel Boxcars that I purchased on eBay. Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. I was on eBay looking for N-scale Circus model trains. I came across an ad for a lot of 10 boxcars with a starting bid of $25. The photos on the listing were not very good, so I could not determine exactly what the boxcars were being sold or the condition of the cars. I was familiar with the Bev-Bel J&J Famous Baltimore Circus set, but these boxcars were different. Since I could not verify the items, I did not bid on the auction. Once the auction was completed, I saw that there were not any bids. I decided to ask the seller if they would accept $25 for the lot. I figured that for $250 each car, it was an okay risk to take. So I bought the set of 10 boxcars for $25. Bev-Bel Corp., formerly of Cresskill, New Jersey, was founded in 1956 by Irvin and Beverly Belkin. Bev-Bel is for Beverly Belkin. Bev-Bel produced limited runs of road names and schemes not generally produced by the major model railroad manufacturers, along with special appealing rolling stocks such as Holiday, Americana, and Mexicana model series. Each production run featured its own distinct cab and car numbers. Irv Belkin and Irv Athern were great friends. When Athern production was higher than the market would bear, Irv Belkin would take the surplus and did pretty successful runs with it. The boxcars that I purchased were manufactured by Sandakan. In November 2008, Cater took over Sandakan, its nearest competitor for precision model railway items in Hong Kong-based ODM contract manufacturing business. Sandakan's biggest client had been Bachmann's dominant rival in the UK market, Hornby Railways, which had concentrated production at Sandakan from 1997 to 2001. Sandakan also manufactured for Lionel, Atlas, Lifelike, Brawa, Merklin, and 50 other model train companies. For a purchase price of $25, these are an interesting lot of boxcars. Some of them are in better condition than others. On two of them, the white paint has slightly yellowed. These boxcars had an original retail price of $8 to $10. If anyone knows which micro trains, trucks, or couplers that I would need to purchase to replace the current horn hook couplers, I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day.